All right. So since you guys were talking about hard money lending, I get the concept,
Hmm.
but I guess I need to explain in more detail.
Yeah.
What exactly, how does it work? How long do you have to wait to refinance? How do balloon payments work and all that good stuff?
Yeah. So that's a really good question. So hard money, it's a private loan or it can be a more complex loan. But think about it as if you were gonna get like if you were gonna buy a house that's $50,000, right? That needs 30K in rehab and you're gonna sell it for 100, right? What you can do, I can lend you 50,000 cash so that you can buy it. I'm gonna put a lien on that property as an asset. You will, with your own money, fix the property, rehab, whatever. And then later, when you refinance it, or if you want to sell it, if it's going to be a flip, at the end of the day, you're going to pay me back in interest, and you'll make your money.
So can we do an example with numbers? And let's say I want to keep the house and rent it. So let's say I don't want it fix it and sell it. Let's just say it's a house, it's $100,000.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to use my personal money. So I get a hard money lender to give me $100,000. And let's say they want to do 10% interest.
Mm-hmm.
How long do I have to make payments to that hard money lender before I can refinance? Do I have to wait a certain amount of time or can I do it after a month so I don't have to pay that much interest?
So those are the terms that you have to set with that hard money lender.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So
Felipe,
that
do
makes
you want to
sense.
give the example that we are doing with Belen?
Sure.
Cool.
So, Matias, what we're doing with Belen, for example, is we lent her $100,000, right?
Mhm.
That was, she can allocate that as she wants. We charged 3 points up front processing fee. That's $3,000. So she hands us 3K. Every month, we charge her, I think our interest rate is 8%. Is that right, Diego? I think we're at 8%.
It's 10. 3
10.
points, 10%.
3 points, 10%. So she pays us monthly 10% interest only. And then at the end of the loan, she'll pay us the full money back, the full 100,000. And that's it. So she'll sell it. Now, if you wanted to keep the property, the best thing for you to do would be refinance. So you would probably want to get like a 1-year loan so that you can refinance that property as soon as possible.
Right. That's what I was thinking. So now when you say she pays interest only, so 10% of 100,000 is $10,000. So is she paying $10,000 monthly?
No. We break the 10. So let me do the
It's
math.
annualized. It's
Yeah.
annualized.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not.
Yeah.
That's what I
So
was
she
like, what?
pays us each month.
No, she's not paying $10,000 every month.
Yeah, she pays us $833 a month.
For a full year until she can refinance.
Yeah, $833, correct. And that's interest payments only monthly. The loan, she has it for 6 months. So she has 6 months to pay us back in full. So she's got to sell the property within the 6 months from day one. For you, the wiser thing would be to get like
And
a
if she
1-year loan
refinances, I was saying if she refinances, she gets the money to pay you guys,
and
right?
keeps the
Yeah.
property if she wants to. Yes.
That makes more sense than me selling my stocks, I think, going forward.
Hey, Felipe.
Yeah. What's up, man? Well, hold
Hey,
on real
dude.
quick, Matias. Hold on 1 second, buddy. Go ahead, Matias. I don't want to cut you off, brother.
No, I think that I have to look more into that, but I think that makes more sense for me going forward to pay down payments.
Dude, I've seen people become millionaires using hard money. Like millionaires using hard money to fund deals.
Well, that's where that whole term "other people's money" comes into play.
Yeah.
So you're using other people's money. You're getting the house. You're fixing it up. You refi. You really got nothing in the deal. You give them their money back, and then you have something that's cash flowing, or you just made a profit by selling it.